NU-sport-finess, a national high-tech enterprise and Guangdong Engineering Technology Center. Exports to over 40 countries. With extensive design experience. Systematic structural verification and rigorous material supply chain management. We ensure precision manufacturing, from automatic laser cutting and efficient automatic welding of manipulator to precision injection molding and high-standard assembly line. Our end-to-end capabilities deliver superior product quality and performance. With the aspiration of becoming the invisible champion of the global fitness brand, we continue to carry out technological innovation and product development. NU-sport-finess. Quality forges trust.